In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for travel planning. This is a simple way to organize your trips and create detailed travel plans. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help plan a trip. For example, I might type, "Create a 5-day travel itinerary for a trip to Thailand." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a travel plan, including places to visit, activities, and a day-by-day schedule. If I want a more personalized plan, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the budget, travel style, or interests. For example, I might type, "Create a budget-friendly itinerary for Thailand focused on beaches and food." Claude can also help with packing lists, travel tips, and recommendations. Once the plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it during my trip. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for travel planning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.